a three-headed monster every time. What's going on between Chantel and Jackie is deep. It leads me to believe that this is not.
Thanks for the what happened? What's she saying?
This is 30 plus years of trauma and build.
I know you sent somebody else sent me something too, Juice.
Inside the house.
Thank you for towards the DoorDash.
Y'all ready? We ready.
30 take away 10 is 20 for DoorDash. And then I still need 30 for my event this weekend.
With your mom 101, like how are you feeling?
So yeah.
To address it among the group because I feel like she's talked to everybody.
Maybe I'll wait.
But she hasn't talked to me. Clearly,
if I don't get that email saying I'm approved for this ticket, I won't be back for no bus ticket. So we'll see.
It's not gonna be the one-on-one that you thought it was gonna be. Let's make it happen. We'll see.
We'll see. But in the meantime, the things that are on the agenda is 21 for DoorDash and 30 for my event this weekend. Bus ticket, we'll see. Hopefully I get an email saying I'm approved for this ticket for this event.
Nice to meet you.
Hopefully.
Chantel and Denise, they're my girls, we're the big three, but there's nothing like fellowship. So I'm looking forward to.
So y'all can help me out. We just need 21 for DoorDash.
And listening.
So I'm gonna get the 20.
When you listen.
The 30 for
I've been Muslim for 7 months now. I've been a social media influencer for 13 years. As I was growing into my power as a woman, I realized that I've been miserable for a really long time. And since Allah gifted me with Islam, I feel more powerful than ever, ready to use my voice. I have had nightmares of my old life. Whoops! Anybody else drinking tequila? Just me.
who gives a fuck? So
when it comes to this walk that I'm on, it's scaring people. They know I have power.
$2? You send $2? Where on PP? You know I like $2. You know I ain't turned down no $2. I don't turn down the money, honey. You know I take anything, honey. I take anything. You know
We're all here together.
Shay, you know I can't say where I'm eating on this live, cause they literally call the goddamn restaurant and catch my goddamn order. They did before.
Values with that flat out ignorance. In Islam, you're taught to stand for and stand against, and you speak up for what's right. And
so I got speech problems. So
you take your stand, but look at the individual who said it, and maybe ask them, why is it that my relationship with God, looking how it looks, offend you? Oh, that gave me chills. Every day you're gonna keep worrying.
You got one on Apple. You got one on Apple. Renee, you got one on Apple, Renee.
To get to this point.
We talking about Renee.
From speaking to the
I'm not saying your other name. That N word. You got what, Renee? Yeah, I don't got Apple.
You guys seriously raised my spirits.
On my phone.
Just like everything.
But if you need an Apple, I got somebody. I got a family with an Apple, honey. Oh, it's restricted? Oh. Yours too?
I decided to meet with my mom one-on-one before the dinner tonight. I'm just hoping that she comes in and she's just willing to take accountability for everything that has happened since I moved to LA.
Oh, you got PP? You got PP? You got V or you got Z or you can send it on CH? Check for your card. You got CH or PP or V? Family and friends, so I just need 20 for DoorDash.
That's what you came to do. I came to listen instead of
20 for DoorDash and 20 for my event this weekend.
When we were in Vegas, did you know about Brandy to me the whole time? Jenny, first of all, these are rhetorical yes.
You might want to cash. You might want to.
Other broads, let's talk about me and you.
I came with a question for you. My Apple gone too.
Okay, I decided to sit down. Chantel,
you might want to if your Apple restricted, you could they let you They'll let you transfer out your account. Transfer out your account. You can transfer out your account. You can still transfer out your account. They'll let you transfer it out. You transfer it out and you send to one of your cards. To one of your CAs, one of your CHs or Z or V.
The teacher will appear when the student.
In the meantime, can anybody else help me out?
And you failed every class.
I need 20 for their dance.
I'm getting accused of being everything under the sun. You know how much
Good as always.
you're
Trying to get 20 for their ass.
lying on me. Sherry's my daughter, but don't try to run over me and don't disrespect me. I'm not.
An event, and I'm not the one to details. An event. You can be one of them stalkers. An event.
Bye. I love you. That's why your husband is gonna leave you and your kids don't like you.
Okay, whatever, Shanny. You sound silly.
That is the exact reason right there.
This is childish.
No.
Just need to get $21 towards
Jackie, that's the best idea.
some food.
Please get back.
Not going to detail for that either. Some food.
Ooh, good idea. Go home.
Girl, you a damn lie. By the time I damn restricted, honey. You just tried it. Stop lying. I just got a CH for somebody, honey. For the fam. Try again, boo. Some food. I'm not going to details. Stalkers, no. Some food. You'll find them when you get here. We want to help you out. Is it 20 for their ass? You want to help out? It's 20 for their ass. And then 30 for my rest of my event this weekend. Not going to details for that either. Anyway, I just need to. Can I help out with $20 more? It's $20 for their ass. So I finna put somebody they nook cause they being nosy. They clearly hear me asking for $20 more damn for their ass. You either gonna help or you're not. Enough of the silly ass dumb ass questions. I'm not getting shit. Shit, you gonna do? You damn troll. I don't got no CA. So they can close yours too? Huh? Nope. Yeah, if I use yours, and it's gonna be for close family only. That's it. Now I ain't penny. Shut this goddamn lie, Belton. Huh? That's gonna be very, very limited who gets it. Just 20 for DoorDash. And then 30 for my event this weekend.
Can I get you out of time? It feels better when it's mine. It's 2 a.m. You know the vibe. Must I rewind you
Yeah, time.
I'll let you use me. Use me. Sexy, won't you come bless me? We're playing.
Do the man, baby. Hey, Mia. Hey, baby. And then be side. Fuck roll. Surviving. And you're outside there. And you ain't hiding. 20 for DoorDash. Whatever. Whatever. I ain't saying shit. Nah. Mm-hmm. All right. Bless me. Yeah, that's 20 for DoorDash. Then 30 for my event. Hey, Queen's Note. Yeah, steady. Ain't better than you. You fit me. You soft up, you fit me. Hard it. It ain't harder than it. It ain't harder than it. Right? There it is. Yeah, this ain't dirty shirt. Queen's no.
Trying to do the main thing, baby.
Hey, Danny. Okay. Thank you for the thing. The